Hi nail fam, Madam Glam was kind enough to send me over a few of their gel polishes from their recent new launch of the Hollywood collection. I will be unboxing these and doing a quick nail design. So if you want to see, please keep watching.
The view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Nah, I like the view. I like the view.
Alright, so I have 4 colors here. I was able to pick these out. So let's quickly look at the names. Here is the first one, and this one is called Walk of Fame. And I'm going to open up each of the bottles and just quickly show you the colors. As you can see here, this first one is a beautiful, nice pink color. Alright, so this is the final color. Now that we are done swatching, I'm going to get my nails prepared. So I need to take this last set that I have on off of my nails, and I use a peel off base go, so it's relatively easy to pop these off. Very occasionally I kind of have struggles with getting my thumb off. So here is a quick look at all of the colors now that they have been cured under the UV lamp. And I have some other colors that I've previously got from Madam Glam, so now I'm just trying to figure out what colors I want to use. and I have everything pulled out. So I'm going to grab some base coat and apply it to all of my nails and give them a quick cure for So the color I'm going to use is Hollywood here, and I'm a little bit out of frame for this one, but I'm simply going to apply Hollywood over the entire nail. I go in with one coat. I could have used two coat, but Madam Glam polishes are so pigmented, and I also like they are vegan and cruelty free. So if you are interested in any of these beautiful colors, be sure to check the Madam Glam website out, and I do have a discount code. Now, at the time of me posting this video, this collection would have been out for at least 30 days or more. So they are going to be launching a new collection, and I caught a little sneak peek on the Instagram page of what that theme might be. That's actually going to be launched in a matter of days. So usually it's launched like on the first day. So I'm really excited to see some kind of, I don't know, Mexican, Caribbean, Spanish kind of theme going on there. So I'm looking forward to seeing what the next collection is. All right, so here's how my nails look once I have the polish onto all of the nails. And now we're going to be doing a little bit of nail art. Now, as you would have seen from the thumbnail, we are doing an ombre cow print. I've done this before on my channel. So I'm just kind of picking out the colors that I want in this cow print. And we're going to take a dotting tool and we're going to draw our cow print onto the nail. We're going to start with the darkest color first and then work our way on down the nail towards the tip of the nail with a lighter color. This is a very simple and easy technique. I'll let you watch me and then I'll come back to The nails is looking, and I am going to just quickly file around the edges of the nail just to give it a crisp look and wipe it down with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. And here is the final look. We did apply some cuticle oil onto that cuticle area. Absolutely loved how this design turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.